Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Welcome to this quick video tutorial for the LSP Santa Frame Duo, the traditional Santas. You get 2 Santas in this set and it's so easy to drag and drop your client images in to create a ton of these images. I'm going to show you how. After downloading from the LSP Actions website, you can go ahead and open these up into Photoshop. Locate them in your downloads folder. I do recommend saving them somewhere where you can easily access, and saving the originals because you don't want to write over them. So once you've opened in Photoshop, it's a good idea to have your layers panel visible. You can do this by going to Window and hit Layers. The next thing you want to do is add your image in. This can be your client image from your studio. You can even use these with images that your clients have sent in from home, which is a great extra little bit of revenue for you and another service you can provide. There are lots of ways to get your image in. You can drag and drop, you can come to File and choose Place Embedded and locate the image on your computer, or you can copy and paste. I'm just going to drag and drop the image. So locate the image on your computer and I'm just going to drag and drop it over Photoshop, and you'll see this appears on top of your Santa image. In your layers panel it's on top. So what you need to do is simply grab this, drag it underneath. You can see now it's showing in the frame. Of course it's too big. So you can hold down Control or Command and hit T on your keyboard. And you get the bounding box pop up. Or you can go to Edit, Free Transform. And you simply need to resize this. These frames are portrait. Ideal for one person. If your image is landscape, you may want to add a little bit more on the height there. So you can just add this in and then hit enter, the little check or double click, and it's done. That's literally how easy it is to do these. It takes a few seconds. When you're transforming your image, if you're trying to drag it and it's actually, the aspect is changing, you need to make sure that your settings are changed up here. If you do want to change your aspect ratio, you can hold down Shift. It really just depends on your own Photoshop settings. So if in doubt, hold down Shift if it's not working properly. Apart from that, it's really easy. So you can go ahead and save this. If you want to save the full size version, you come up to File, Save as a Copy, and choose JPEG. If you want to save a web size version for Facebook, you can come up to File, Export, and choose Save for Web. 2 different versions of saving. You can save as a JPEG, a PNG, whatever version you want to save it as. I don't recommend saving over the original, but if you do, all you need to do is just delete the images underneath and carry on. Really, really simple. You could even, you could even batch these up. Let's just take a few images here. Oh, sorry, I lost my screen there for a second. Let's just grab a couple in. Which one should we go for? How about these ones? And all you need to do, you can grab a few at once if you want and just drag and drop. Just hit enter every time. They're all coming in. And select all of these and bring them underneath our image, and you can just, resize them all to fit however you want to, and they're in. You can use the little eye icons to show and hide. Control or Command T. Remember to resize or edit, free transform, or sit on your V tool. This is your move tool. And you can just go ahead and save these as you want to. And it's exactly the same for your other frame as well. Drag and drop the image in, or go to File, Place Embedded. Beautiful image here from Amy at Slinky Photography. Drag it underneath Santa, resize. You want to kind of shift it around a little bit. You just move your mouse slightly outside of the resize box and you can, you can shift it. And it's done. File, save as a copy, choose JPEG for your client, or export, save for web, for Facebook size and Instagram images. I hope you love these. So quick and easy to use. You can use these in any editing software that allows the use of layers, meaning your image needs to show behind Santa, because his box is transparent here, the frame is transparent. Canva is also really good for these. Just position your image behind center, add him in. These are a 3:2 ratio, so you can just add that in, 7:5 and 3:2. You can just find the crop that works for you. Hope you love using these. This is a great way to batch create a ton of images for your clients, and you can use images they've sent in from home as well, which is great. So I hope you love these. I'd love to see what you do with them. Please post in the LSP Actions editing group. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.